Close that door. Go on inside and get your shot. Come on. Yeah, I know. Ready?
Yeah. Aw.
He's trying to nurse. Now she's just gonna go park herself and watch it.
I like the way she hops when she walks. She's like so happy.
Oh.
Lulu's such a happy kitty.
Where'd Kabuki go? Did you hear her?
No, did she make
Yeah.
a sound? I didn't hear it. Hopefully the camera heard it.
They're getting too big to get under that thing quickly. Did you see that?
Yeah, I heard it. Lulu.
to get out of prison?
5 weeks ago.
Oh, finally relieved. That makes sense.
Oh, it gets better. Ron has a history with our Vic. Ghost Wranglers did a piece on 5 Points Correction.
Coming back. And what was he remembering exactly?
A woman, a lot of blood, a man. That's my one.
I felt a bump from behind. I saw his dorsal fin.
That's the moment everything changed.
I remember just staring at the shark with his mouth wide open.
And that's the biggest reason to come back there, because I want to go all the way to the end this time. And
But you're
be the
always
one there,
looking to escape.
Winning the 100,000. That's the prize.
See
that
how
I'm
nice
going
that
for.
is? You're gonna stay nice, huh?
And I still believe it.
There's only a minute left. I have to.
I had some stuff to do for the
Really?
horror industry. Then made some demons for a film, and
Stuff
also
is
did some orange
flashing.
makeups and some did animal props for another.
Yeah, I need to clear out the memory on this.
She was inspired by chaos that we.
Well, I do have another memory stick I can put in.
And she saw it and thought it was really cute, and she goes, "I'm gonna make you one of those. He's good luck charm, and now he goes with me everywhere I go." I'm really excited for this chance to come back on Face Off, because I get to make some really cool stuff again. And that was the really great thing about the first time, was getting to make all these incredible creatures. A lot of people don't get, the first chance to have their dreams, and I'm lucky enough to have two, and I'm not going to blow it. My plan this season is to show that I am a makeup
You have
artist
the
as much
sweetest
as I am a
little
fabricator.